I wonder if I can just get a hold of it at the end and rip it. Ah! Can't be done. Back then they had more time on their hands.
And they were hungry.
And they were hungry all the time. It smells like banana peel. Tell me if I'm wrong.
It's got a grassy smell to it too.
Yeah, grassy banana peel.
Sounds appetizing.
Yeah, I'd say. Hello guys, Chuck Grove from Foraging Truth. And today we're talking about Arctium minus, common burdock. Now this, where I've taken this from, is right here. That is a second-year plant. And we all know in Appalachia that we don't like these things. These things follow us home, go to our house, get stuck all over our clothes, our dogs, our animals. This is actually where the idea for hook and pow came from, or Velcro. Isn't that neat? I hate these things. They stick to everything. Yeah. Something very interesting about burdock, that's the common name for this. This leaf and these leaves over here are all first-year plants. So the really cool part about burdock is these first-year plants, these roots are edible, and you can still do something with these roots. That's a really cool thing. But on the second-year plants, like this plant, they're going to be too tough to really do anything with. So besides Velcro and the edible root of the first-year plants, there is something a little bit in history with the leaf of burdock. And what they would do in the past was, just get rid of that back part of that leaf, is they would take and wrap food that they wanted to put into a fire in burdock leaves. You could just roll it right up, like ash cakes, things like that. You could roll it up in this, cook it in this, and then discard the leaf when you're done. The leaf is very big, very furry. It's a really furry texture to it. A really thick stem. You see it has purple veins running down the stem. It's almost shaped like a celery stalk. It has a flat edge, almost dished in, and then a rounder part. See these great big veins on the underside of the leaf. And then the great big top center vein that runs through there is all fuzzy. Everything feels fuzzy, even the stalk. You could probably use this for toilet paper, but don't wrap your ash cakes with your toilet paper. All right? So anyway, another great plant that you do not want to get rid of. This is a very good plant. It's a very well-known plant here in Appalachia, and it's the common burdock plant. Do some research and find out ways, if you have burdock in your yard, that you can use this, because God has already given us everything we need. So remember to get out in the creation and keep foraging.